Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for pet supplies business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So here first of all you can go with this, get started from here, and you can also create your website from here. You can see templates, so let's see templates. So here you can choose the type of your business, and also you can choose the topic here. So the pet supplies is not here, so not a problem. So here you can choose the online store. You can also choose the memberships, whatever you want. I'm gonna choose this and courses and services. This is just for example. So you can go with some of these templates here. So for example, here you can build your own templates. Click here, get started, and let's go. So here you can add your site name, type any name you want. For pet supplies business, here you can build your home page, and here you can you can choose your intro section. You can here change or choose your product section, and also here you can choose your services section. Here you can choose about section, and here the social section, and the forms section, and the last here is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can add page to your site, and here you can choose the color theme. I'm gonna go with this, and let's continue. Here you can choose the font. Let's go with this, and click here finish, and let's move on. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can, if you wanna continue or if you wanna skip, you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. So I'm gonna skip this. Let's just skip. So this is your homepage website right now. Here this is the view. You can you can change the view. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop view. Here this is the site size. You can edit the site size here. So here you can edit the fonts. You can switch the fonts back. Also here you can edit the headings, the paragraphs, the buttons, and also you can reset fonts back. So let's get back and let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes from here. Let's go with this theme. So here you can edit the color theme of this, of the header, the site title, and the navigation links. Also you can edit the color theme of this, the site white, or the text, the paragraphs, the heading, the background color, the text highlights. So like this. Now let's get back and let's move on to the animations. So here you can edit the animations. You can edit here the style. You can set none here, or you can set fade. You can also set the scale, or a slide, or clip, or flex. Here you can edit the speed, slow or medium or fast. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can edit the spacing. You can edit the page width max and the size margin. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary button. The primary buttons, you can here edit the text, the shape, and the outline. You can apply to all button types, and you can reset button styles. So that's it. Now let's move to the image blocks. Also here you can search for image blocks. You can edit here the text alignments, the content width, the title separation, the button separation, and also here you can edit this, the image block guard, the content position and text alignments, the image width, the image separation, the title separation, the button separation. So that's it. Now let's close this. So here you can edit and design your home page here. So first here we have the header, the site header. You can edit it from here. You can edit the site title and the logo. So here you can change the site title. You can add your logo here from your library or from whatever you want. So for example, you can add your logo here for your pet supplies business, and you can also add the mobile logo. So that's it. Now let's move to the elements. So here you can edit the buttons. You can turn this on. You can turn this on the social links. You can edit the social links. Here you can edit the social icon size. Also you can change the border. You can switch the language, and also you can here turn this on the card. You can edit the icon. You can change the icon style. So that's it. Here you can edit the border and you can show 0 in cart. So you can edit the style here, and you can also turn this on, fixed position. So that's it. So if you wanna add a section or add something new, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here, whatever you want to add. So that's it. If you want to add a text or remove this text, you can edit it. Just click on it like this, and here you can click here and edit it. You can duplicate it from here. You can delete it. So here you can add a block if you want to add another text. So that's it. Here you can change the label. You can change the color of it, or if you wanna duplicate it from here, you can also remove it. So that's it. If you wanna edit some section, just click here and you can edit it. You can duplicate it from here. You can save it, and also you can move it up or move it down, and here you can remove it. So that's it. If you want to add something new, for example, you can delete this image, and you can add your image from the library or from free image. Just click here and you can select it from the library or from free image from here. So for example, pet supplies, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose wherever you want. So for example, this is your photo right now, so you can put it here. So here you can drag it and put it at any place. You can make it larger. So that's it. If you want to delete it, you can duplicate it from here. You can align vertically. You can make it align vertically or align horizontally. So that's it. Here you can change the text, and that's it. Here also you can change this image. Just click on it and click here delete, and it will be deleted. You can add here your image from your library or from free image. So that's it. Now after you're done from design website, just click here and you can now start selling. After you add the first product and import your products, now just start selling and you can publish your website. So that's it for today. That's how to create and customize your site for pet supplies business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.